Hello everyone! Today I'm drawing a colorful mixer truck. Let's draw and color it together. First I'm drawing the front wheel of the truck. Now draw the front body. Let's draw the window. I'm going to color this truck with different colors. There are stars on its wheels. Drawing of a mixer truck is very simple. Let's color. Blue in the window. Yellow in the front body. Do you like playing with a toy truck? Green in the headlight, rims, and back body.
Hickory-dickory-dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Hickory-dickory-dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck two, away she flew. Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Hickory-dickory-dock, the dog
Some red in the wheel.
the clock struck three. Fiddly-dee. Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock.
This truck looks beautiful.
Hickory-dickory-dock, the bear sat by the clock. The clock struck four. He ran out the door. Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock.
Purple in the small areas. Look at those colors. Orange. Golden. It's look amazing. Kindly like this video and subscribe to this channel for more drawing videos. See you in the next drawing video.